Integration Cloud, MuleSoft, interview question and answers. What is MuleSoft? MuleSoft is an integration platform that connects applications, data, and devices through APIs using its Anypoint platform. What is Anypoint platform? It's MuleSoft's unified integration platform offering API design, development, management, monitoring, and connectivity capabilities. What is Mule Runtime? Mule ESB. Mule Runtime is the engine that executes integration flows and handles message routing, transformation, and orchestration. What is an API-led connectivity approach? A layered integration model using system APIs, process APIs, and experience APIs to enable reusable, modular integrations. Explain the different types of APIs in MuleSoft. System APIs right-pointing arrow access core systems. Process APIs right-pointing arrow orchestrate, transform data. Experience APIs right-pointing arrow serve data to specific channels. What is a Mule flow? A sequence of processors that execute integration logic such as receiving messages, transforming data, and routing. What is data weave? MuleSoft's transformation language used for converting data between formats like JSON, XML, CSV, and Java. Explain Mule event structure. Message, payload plus attributes, variables, flow, session, global. What is an event processor? A building block that processes Mule events. Examples include connectors, transformers, routers, and scopes. What are connectors? Pre-built components enabling interaction with systems like Salesforce, SAP, databases, HTTP, or AWS. What is API Manager? A component used to apply policies, enforce security, manage versions, and analyze API usage. What are MuleSoft policies? Reusable rules like rate limiting, OAuth 2, client ID enforcement applied to APIs for governance. What is Exchange in MuleSoft? An internal repository where assets like APIs, connectors, RAML specs, and templates are published and reused. What is RAML? RESTful API modeling language used to design and document APIs following a contract-first approach. Difference between flow and subflow. Flow can have inbound connector, supports exception strategies. Subflow, no inbound connector, runs in parent flow thread. What is batch processing in MuleSoft? A feature to process large datasets in stages. Input right-pointing arrow load and dispatch right-pointing arrow process right-pointing arrow on complete. What is scatter-gather? A router that sends the same message to multiple routes simultaneously and aggregates their responses. What is choice router? A conditional router that directs messages based on defined expressions or conditions. What is error handling in MuleSoft? Two types, global and local. Mule handles errors using onError-continue, onError-propagate. What is Cloud Hub? A managed MuleSoft deployment environment enabling application hosting with worker scaling and monitoring.